Now quickly move on to more breaking news coming in. King Charles III has expressed his deepest sympathy to the people of Myanmar following yesterday's devastating earthquake which has claimed over 1,000 lives. In a heartfelt message, the King praised the resilience of the Myanmar people, acknowledged their enduring hardship. He and Queen Camilla offered their condolences to those who have lost their loved ones, homes and livelihoods in the tragedy as well. Meanwhile, several eyewitnesses have shared their experience of what transpired as the earthquake struck. Amongst these are tourists who were visiting Bangkok. Let's listen in to Christina, who was shopping for a t-shirt in one of Bangkok's many malls.
I feel bad for what happened actually, and I think the best thing is to actually come here and still continue as if, you know, nothing happened, but really like help the locals with their business anyway, because today will be, or this weekend will probably be harder than usual for business.
And let's take a quick look now at some other visuals, of course, coming in. These show us the moment the earthquake hit Myanmar and Thailand and the aftermath of the earthquake as well.
Tôi yêu chị này số đó nó đi mà tôi vào lúc này giáo dục để khắp việc công nó mà biểu cha của mình lên đâu đã nhiều bây giờ áp biểu tôi làm nhiều tôi yêu số đó nó chị này mà chú mà má nó dùng để biểu cha đó đấy biểu cha thì mà má nó dùng để biểu cha tôi là sao công này huyền ở đâu mà này công quê chống đi vào công biểu cha công à nếu này mà một đó mà chú thiếu biết đó đâu mà just said that he ngale bien chakaro ta kha ma thwe bu tami di lo chong bu le bu a yin no ta kha chong bu ta ma law chin pyin mo ka ri yo ma chiung chiung哦，一溜脱了，一溜脱了就。
တရားကတော့ထိခိုက်မှုသိမ့်မရှိပြီမဲ့ဒီပြည့်ကြောင်ကြတော့အင်မတန်မှ
Oh my god
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကိုဘက်ဆက်သွားလို့မရတော့ဘူး
ရတော့
ကူးကြမှာတော့ခင်ဗျားထုတ်ကြည့်နေအဲ့ဒါကြီးကို
ကားတစ်စီး
ဒီကလိုင်းညာထွက်နေရလေ
ဘူးမှာကွာဟောမှာ
ကွာဘလို့တော့အောင်ရတဲ့ကြီးတော့
ဟ
我操！我来，走，你开这玩意儿。